Hey YouTube, what's up? Yesterday I was on the river and come across some people in a really bad position that none of us really want to find ourselves in. Anyway, they were so nice, kids, mum and dad. Anyway, here's a video of what we found, how we found it, and a little bit of chat. During this video, the guy asked me some questions about jewfish and sharks and the river, so I gave him a little bit of information that will go down handy for some of you. Just little tips on maybe catching a jewfish. Also, please comment about how you like to catch jewfish. Lure, bait, if so, what lure or what bait do you find the best? One of the things I say about catching jewfish and what bait, one of my next door neighbours has caught a jewfish. Lo and behold, I was hopping in my boat the next day, which was this morning, and some people a couple doors up are holding a nice jewfish, and they caught it exactly the same way, which will blow some people's minds on what bait they used, which I mentioned in the video. And anyway, there'll be a picture of the lady holding the jewfish, and yeah, please enjoy.
The tide's nearly right up now, so it's hardly ever going to get any bigger. Like, the tides only go lower from here. How are you, mate? Yeah, I noticed that. You want to try and pull it off, or you're just going to try and wait? How far's the tide gone down? So you reckon you'll get it off? Mate, I've fished over here and I've waved at people and they just keep going and they take this, and you think, and they got skiers behind them. Yeah. I'll come back around, mate. Well, at least you're doing it in style, leg and bacon and everything like that. Do you know what time high tide is? Tonight. You want me to come back around? Oh, I live on the stretch over there where you were doing 100 knots in an 8 zone. I'm just warning you because they were here yesterday. You would have got done for $500. Would have made your day even worse. Yeah. Well, I might come back around about 8 o'clock and see if you want a hand. Alright, no worries, I'll see you then. You got enough water and everything? Alright. I'll see you in a little bit anyway on my way back. This is how you go oystering here in the south. Yeah. There, probably just before Christmas, he was burling up brim and some big flathead, and he said something took his line twice. He thought it was a big flathead. Anyway, he was burling up, and then there was this big swoosh beside his boat. We looked over, big bronze whaler. He said it must have been about 5 foot long. Yeah, they do come up here, but look, no, there's all the history when you go back before even Batemans Bay, and this place was here. There's never been a dog, there's never been a person. No one's ever been taken by a shark. And everyone says, like even a guy I rent a house to here, he says, oh, we were down Jew fishing, and he said, you know, the guy next to us, there was 8 of us, and we all seen this shark that this guy pulled in. I said, so where's the pictures? And he goes, oh no. And I said, so out of 8 people off the jetty at Nelligen, no one had their camera with them, did they? No one had their phone with them. So you hear all these stories, but yeah. Look, they're only confused when they eat people. They're only old and they can't get their food, or it's dirty and they think you're something else. Exactly. But they are up here, and I've never seen one. And I've lived here on the water, and I've never seen a shark. I've even had a seal in my backyard, but I've never seen a shark. And I've skied this river for 35 years. Alright, well, we might go for a cruise, and as long as your anchor rope's in good nick, chicken out on a brim hook, and I seen her pack up and go upstairs, so I was going over to say, oh, you know, how'd you do fishing? She left the rod in. As I walked around the fence to her place, the rod went off and screaming, so she's run back down from the house and she got a jewfish 96 centimetres long on a piece of chicken. But yeah, like I said, jewfish also don't like to work for their food. So the top of the tide, an hour either side of the tide, and the bottom of the tide. Because you're going to be here at the bottom, probably from now for the next 2 or 3 hours, you can get something big out there. You might have some luck. Well, make sure we get your info anyway. I'll send you my YouTube channel.
Hey YouTube, I'm sure you enjoyed that. Just to expand on the pictures you're looking at the moment with the lady holding the jewfish, I've seen this quite often, that when there's a bit of noise on the river, people fishing for brim with small hooks will catch nice sized jewfish. This one was actually caught on chicken, and I've seen that quite a bit too. So anyway, that was just to expand on something that I said yesterday to someone, and he was pretty shocked. And the next day, hopping into my boat a few doors up, they've shown me this nice fish that they caught on a piece of chicken on a small hook. Anyway, remember to share my videos. It's the only way I'll grow. Like my videos and comment. Thank you.